Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 strongest economies in the world. Let's start with number 1. United States, largest economy globally, driven by industries like technology, finance, and manufacturing. Benefits from a skilled workforce, innovation, and a strong consumer base. The US dollar is the world's primary reserve currency, giving it significant economic influence. Number 2. China, second largest economy, known for rapid growth and industrialization. Leading industries include electronics, telecommunications, and renewable energy, transitioning towards a more consumption-driven economy while investing in technology and infrastructure. Number 3. Japan, technologically advanced economy, excelling in automotive, electronics, and robotics. Challenges include an aging population and deflationary pressures. Number 4. Germany, largest economy in Europe, famous for manufacturing automobiles, machinery, and chemicals. Strong export-oriented economy and emphasis on innovation and technology. Number 5. India, fast-growing economy with a large population and a rising middle class. Key sectors include information technology, pharmaceuticals, and services, supported by ongoing reforms, infrastructure development, and entrepreneurship. And there you have it, the top 5 strongest economies explained simply, from the powerhouse industries of the United States to the rapid growth of China and India. These countries shape the global economic landscape. Thanks for watching.